This is my New England Boat Show 2025 review. So this year the boats was beautiful. I saw some new ones and some old favorites, but these boats this year was beautiful. Beautiful boats. But this year was nice. Yeah, they have my favorite speed boats, my favorite jet ski boats, and my favorite tugboats. I give this show 10 out of 10. Every year, the show getting bigger and bigger. This year, this show got big. Yeah, this year, the boat show got big. This year was bigger. Last year was kind of smaller, but this boat show was big. They did a good job on boat show. I wish Twiggy the water skiing squirrel was here. He was here last year. Great show. But I got that video coming up. Stay tuned. So this is my review of the New England Boat Show 2025. Give it 10 out of 10. Can't wait for next year's show. See you guys in the next boat show of 2026. See you guys in the next adventure. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Press like. Comment. See you guys in the next adventure.